Hello, everyone. Welcome to class. Today is day one of the 5 days of learning five paragraph essays. Are you excited? Yes. So let's begin. So I would like to start with stating the objectives of today's lesson. Okay, so we are going to write an introduction that includes a compelling opening statements and a strong thesis statement. But before diving deep, I would use this a few minutes to do a little bit of a warm up. Now, I would like to ask you a question. What grabs your attention in any situation of life? Yes. Oh, yes. When you go to the store and you see an advertisement, that grabs our attention. That's right. How about other situations? Oh, that's right. There's a celebrity on TV and it's somebody you like. Then that grabs your attention. Okay. Oh, that's right. Recently, there was an impeachment case. That grabbed our attention. It's a very big case. It's a national case. That's right. That your answers are all correct. A lot of things grabs our attentions, and grabbing attention is a very delicate thing. It's a very interesting thing, right? We are we give our attention to a lot of things. Okay, let's move on to question number two. Why do you think having a strong opinion is important? Okay. Yes, that's right. Formulating your own opinion and philosophy is important as a human being, right? As an individual, correct? Yes. Mm-hmm. Any other answers? Okay. Today's lesson is about the introduction paragraph, the first part of a five-paragraph essay. Okay? And before going into specifics, now there are some general rules and some necessary things that you have to include in the introduction paragraph, but we are going to look at a paragraph first and then look at what is needed, okay? So I will give you a TOEFL independent rating that somebody has wrote an introduction, and I think it's very excellent. So I'm going to share it with you, okay? So listen carefully. Now, start. Education became one of the most important elements not only in raising children but also nationally, since the level of knowledge and learning capability determines the success of a country. As a result, government spending in scholarships, improvements, and researches in education has increased. From children's education to college students, a lot of efforts and investments should be done. Government should invest more money in children's education than in college students, since it is a basis for stable knowledge and since attending college is a choice. Okay, so this is an introduction written by students like you, so it's not a very um, complicated thing that is unreachable. You can also do this. Now, this introduction includes two things, and the elements, what they are, is important, and also in what order they are presented is important. Now, what do you think? According to the now, if we kind of connect it to the warm-up that we did, that's right. A introduction has to catch somebody's attention. Oh, I should read this essay. Oh, what is this trying to say? We need something in front that explains those. Okay? Just as what you have talked about grabbing someone's attention, we should think about in when we are writing our introduction paragraph, what would catch the attention of the readers? Okay, number two, which goes after. After you have caught the attention of the readers, the second thing you have to do is to state your opinion. What are you trying to say in the essay? What do you want to say? Okay, so these are the mainly two parts. And remember, it is important to have a sentences that grab the attention of the reader and your opinion. Now, your opinion is what we call the thesis statement. Can I repeat? Thesis statement. Okay, so these two parts are crucial, are very important elements of the introduction paragraph. Another thing we have to note that the gaining attention should come first than the thesis statement. Okay? So, well, mhm. Some people, that's right. Some people can argue that the thesis statement may go first. Okay? But first, we're going to use this format. Okay? Because a lot of people have proven this as the best way to present an argumentative essay. Okay? But also, after we learn all this, we can alter the order and we can find out what works good in each essays, okay? But for this introduction, we are going to use this format. Now, let's move on to creating our own introduction paragraph.